Hey guys, I'm Vikas, I'm founder and CEO at Acquis Technologies. Today I want to demonstrate to you how Certify, our flagship product that protects product from being duplicated, works. Certify involves two elements. One is a packaging element which goes on the product either in the form of a label or directly on the packaging. And a mobile app which a user or a consumer can use to verify the product at the time of purchase. So let's talk about the label which goes on the packaging. The label involves multiple elements which incorporates overt elements plus a tamper evident label which when removed would leave void pattern or evidence of the fact that this label has been tampered. If you see a lot of apps, they verify only the 2D code, but Certify not just verifies the 2D code, but also verifies the complete label and ensures that the product is not duplicated. And this is one of a format in which the certified packaging element is available. So another product of ours is a gray matrix label. It has a 2D code at the bottom and a gray matrix at the top, which is always unique to each label. And also there are a lot of hidden features, hidden parameters in the top part of the label, which is not visible to the naked eye, but our technology can verify at the time of scanning. So it makes it very difficult for anybody to replicate that or copy that, mainly because it's not visible to the naked eye. And another important element here is the fact that the 2D code that we provide is always unique and always random. So which makes each and every product unique. Just like an Aadhaar for a human or a DNA of a human makes a human unique. Similarly, each label now becomes unique and each product hence becomes unique. So the 2D code that we use is not a generic QR code or data matrix code which a lot of other companies use. Our 2D codes have another layer of security on top of it which makes it scannable only from our app. Hence, it prevents anybody from going to the market, taking a picture and replicating the label. So all in all, our labels are tamper evident, non-replicable because a lot of hidden features in there which people cannot look at and replicate. Our 2D codes are unique and random and again non-copyable. And of course, labels are tamper evident. So if somebody tries to remove the label from a packaging and puts it on another pack, it gets tampered and it's not visible. So we also have another format which incorporates a hidden text in the label. Basically a label which has again a 2D code, text, a serial number, but also a hidden code which enables and which protects your products at the time of purchase again. And this is a one-time use code, which means if somebody has already tampered with it, any user or buyer would know that somebody has already looked at it and already tried to either purchase it or replicate it maybe. This is a very useful label for for companies that want to offer bonus, loyalty, rewards, etc. And of course, it also adds security because there are elements which are hidden again, either in the form of a scratch code. It incorporates a 2D code. I've already mentioned the features of the 2D code that we use. Or we could also incorporate other hidden elements in here, which I mentioned earlier. So it makes it a complete package and provides you great security. So we have another form of our labels, which is very useful for e-commerce. So in e-commerce, we've seen in terms of reverse logistics, a lot of products can actually duplicate it at the time of the reverse logistics when people send back the products to the e-commerce sites, right? Or to the marketplaces. So this is where we incorporate a concept of dual label, where two labels in the form of a circle are affixed on the product. And we capture a lot of parameters from the label and make it very difficult for anybody to replicate. So the parameters that we would look at would be the orientation of the label with respect to each other, of course the 2D code. Again, like I said, hidden parameters in the label itself, which which are not visible to the naked eye. Hence, a duplicator or a counterfeiter would find it very difficult to replicate that. So if somebody has to tamper with it, they have to replicate the exact labels and ensure that the distance between the two labels is the same, the orientation is the same, which makes it completely difficult and almost close to impossible for anybody to replicate. So these are the various forms of packaging designs we have, and of course we are working on them continuously. We already have 4 patents already filed, and we're working on more designs to make it difficult for a counterfeiter to replicate anything for that matter. So let's look at how the consumer would verify this and how a consumer can ensure that whatever he or she is buying is a genuine product. So for the consumer, it's as easy as taking a picture. So consumer simply needs to download an app from the Play Store or the App Store called Certify. Once she or he downloads the app, You just need to enter simple details, receive an OTP, and voila, you'll be able to start verifying products. Let's say you don't understand English. We have apps available in multiple Indian languages and even foreign languages. So let's look at how a user would scan the product and get to know the originality of the product. So I've already downloaded the app on my phone and I already entered my basic details, and it just took me less than a minute. And now I just need to place the product in front of the app, and hey, I already have the results, and here it tells me, great, this product is a genuine product. And now I can happily go home and ensure that I'm actually consuming a genuine original product. So that's Certify for you. So now I'd like to show you some of the tools which we have built, which would help the brands not only cut down on the fakes, but also improve their business. So let's look at the dashboard that we have here. So the dashboard offers you great analytics and tools to cut down on fakes and improve your business. So you get real-time alerts which give you complete 360 picture of what's happening on the field. And you get red flags every time something wrong has happened. If somebody's tampered with the product and somebody's verified a product which is not a genuine product. And also, you also get real-time alerts when a product which is meant for a particular region is found to be verified in a different region. Protects you from any pilferage that happens, right? So now let's look at closely how the dashboard works. So this is a real-time alert section. And there are a lot of other tools available here, which I'm going to mention in a brief time. But I want to focus on the most important part of the dashboard, which is a real-time alert section. So in this real-time alert section, you get to know exactly what has happened with our product. You also get to know who's verified the product and what is the result he or she saw, right? And not just that, you can even track and trace the product across your supply chain in this particular menu. You can search for a product based on either the serial number that is on the label or based on the date, or even based on the user's number which he or she would have verified. So once you do that, you get a complete list of all the transactions, all the actions that have happened based on your search criteria. And this gives you a great understanding of, if something has gone wrong and exactly what's happening with your products, right? And if there are any red flags, this is a great tool for you to see if somebody's verified a product which is not genuine, or any of your product is getting too many hits, you immediately get to know that, and you can take further action. Plus, you can also add a lot of product details to your label, so that when a user verifies a particular product, he or she is not just looking at whether the product is genuine, but also gets to know a lot of other details which could be important for them. Plus, you could also add your videos, your product pictures to further engage with the user. And of course, you could also manage your users who access the dashboard from this tool here. You can give control to, let's say, your marketing team or your sales team or your factory team in ensuring that they get access to whatever data that they need. In addition to be able to also upload any form of serial data which you would want to show to a user or anybody in the supply chain. That is also possible from our variable data management menu over here. And we have a separate tool here which is called the fraud analysis tool, which gives you a complete 360 view on any kind of fraud that might have happened, right? You get to know whether a fraud has happened based on data, based on your location, based on the user count. Let's say if a particular user is verifying a label or multiple labels too many times and you know that something is wrong, or let's say if a particular label is verified multiple times, even then you know something is going wrong. So you get fraud alerts based on these parameters. Addition to that, our system is very intelligent. We use machine learning and AI here in being able to figure out some of these fraud that might be happening and generate these red flags for you. And you're able to define all this in our dashboard. You can define exactly what the message the user sees when he or she verifies the product, the number of count you want to allow per label. You can also define various settings. You can set up geofencing as well. So all those settings can be defined here, and it gives you complete flexibility of the system, right? You don't need to worry about whether a user will get to see a particular message, whether the user will have limit in terms of number of scans he can do. All that is possible from our system, right? It gives you 100% flexibility. So you don't need to contact us to actually change this. You yourself can go ahead and do it. And plus, we also have a very interesting tool here, which is your consumer engagement tool. So using that, you can send out notifications to the users, or you can even send out some marketing campaigns. Let's say you're having a meet for your dealers or meet for your electricians. This is the right time or a right place to actually go ahead and send out this notification so that they can then get to know about these events. At Aquis, we believe in innovation. We're constantly innovating to ensure that counterfeiters are not able to replicate your products. The newest innovation involves the use of two 2D codes, wherein one 2D code is in the center of the other 2D code. And to top it up, you could hide the 2D code at the center under a thermal scratch layer. Great use case for this is the track and trace system combined with the loyalty system. So you could use the outer 2D code which is exposed to ensure that anybody in the supply chain can verify the product and get the information about the product. And you could leverage the center code which is hidden under a scratch layer to provide loyalty to your consumers, along with, of course, anti-counterfeiting. In this case, they can verify both the codes to ensure that what they're buying is a genuine product and also get rewards for it. Counterfeiters, of course, cannot copy because it's a very complex process to generate these codes, along with the fact that one of the code is hidden. Certify is used by multiple industries such as agro, pharma, plywood, food, and many more. It can even go on a product as small as a pen. So the Certify app is available as an Aquis branded app, but hey, if you wanted to brand it as your own app, that is also possible because we provide Certify as a white label option. Or if you already had an app in the market, we do have a SDK as well, which can fit into your app and do the exact same thing as the Certify Aquis app does. Thank you so much. If you do have any questions, please do contact us and leave a message here. And do check out our website, aquis.com.